Adebayo Tijani is one of Yoruba Nollywood's most respected filmmakers. He is a director, producer, and actor whose work has shaped the evolution of Yoruba cinema. Known for cultural depth, emotional storytelling, and disciplined filmmaking, he has built a career that continues to influence both traditional and modern Nollywood. Adebayo Tijani began as an actor before rising to prominence as a director and producer. His performances helped establish his presence in the industry, but it is his work behind the camera that truly defines his legacy. He has created films that reflect Yoruba values, moral lessons, family tensions, power struggles, and spiritual themes, all delivered with strong performances and rooted cultural authenticity. Adebayo Tijani has directed many Yoruba films that remain highly regarded in the industry. Also, his producer credits reflect his dedication to strong narratives and cultural preservation. Some of the movies he has directed include 77 Bullets, The New Patriots, Ijakumo, King of Thieves, Jagun Jagun, Ada Omo Daddy, Beast of Two Worlds, Farmer's Bride, Seven Doors, Alakada, Bad and Bougie, and Crossroads. His productions are known for their thematic depth, cultural authenticity, and emphasis on moral storytelling. Adebayo Tijani's influence extends to global streaming platforms, giving his work international visibility. These streaming releases mark a significant milestone in his career, placing him among Yoruba Nollywood filmmakers with international reach. Adebayo Tijani maintains an active digital presence where he promotes new releases, shares behind-the-scenes content, and engages with fans. His films frequently trend on Yoruba-focused YouTube channels and across social media-driven platforms, extending his reach to audiences in Nigeria, the diaspora, and global Nollywood communities. Digital visibility has become a major part of his brand, allowing his storytelling to thrive beyond traditional DVD and TV markets.
Yeah. Do you know what you're made for? You're a light that's gonna shine, and yes, the world is gonna see a